Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create community group in WhatsApp Business. Well, just a quick heads up here, you can't, alright? But there's a way. The way is to just use the WhatsApp default app, alright? As you can see here, when we go to chats or tools, we can't see any section here that says community, alright? As you can see here. Now when we go to our WhatsApp default app, let me log in first. All right. As you can see here, when we go to our WhatsApp default app, you'll be able to see communities right here, right under these tabs right here, besides updated calls. All right. I'm going to tap on it. Just go ahead and tap on start your community, get started, and then just put your community name right here and change the photo. All right. Once done, just tap on next and you'll be good to go. All right. That's basically it. Again, unfortunately, it is not available yet on the WhatsApp Business app. All right. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.